Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today's August the 3rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Nvidia today and how I'm seeing some bullish signals on the price chart, which would indicate that the price is geared to continue to move higher. Now, before I show you all that, welcome to my channel. To those who is the first time clicking on my video, this is what I do. I do price predictions. You guys can see it's right here in front of you. I make sure that we are in position to win in this space without causing any confusion. I don't place technical indicators on my chart. I don't show you all the books of these companies. I don't give you all no fundamental analysis. I don't try to give you A pillars. I don't give you no discount cash flow models. None of that, because it doesn't matter when it comes to how people spend their money or how they invest it. So if you guys want to join me, welcome. The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I want you all to stay in tune with these price moves that I am garnering, that I'm seeing. All right. So I did a video, first of all, in Nvidia, all right? And it was on July the 19th, 2022. Now let's talk about this, because I was already bullish in the market in Nvidia. I was looking for the price to go up. Now, it wasn't massively bullish. No, it wasn't. I was looking for the price in Nvidia to top out around 180. You guys can see that it went all the way up here to 188. So pretty good though. We call the direction into the market in Nvidia. So if anything, we got 12% out the market, or if we were to get out on the last trade of yesterday, 15%. All right, that's done. That's over. Let's get to this information. We got earnings coming up towards the end of the month in Nvidia, August the 24th. Okay, so I would suspect that we won't get that much price action occurring in the market in Nvidia. I'm not really expecting the market to do too much. We've already seen the run up, right? Ever since the low of July the 5th, the market in Nvidia has ran up 33% right there. Okay, so that could lead us into us seeing the price in Nvidia fall either up to earnings release or after. Here is Nvidia on the 2-day chart. Okay, zoom in on this price chart. And overall, that's the only thing that I see problems for the buyers is $190. This is Nvidia here on the 3-day chart. And you all can tell that the current trend is higher. Okay, we see that. The current overall bullishness into the market in Nvidia is higher prices. The market is not trying to let the price fall. Look at this last completed 3-day price bar in Nvidia right there. Okay, look at that. You guys can see how the market in Nvidia closed at the high of the bar on top of what happened here previously. This last 3-day price bar, the market went down, but then on the next falling one, it went up. Here's Nvidia on the 2-day chart. I want you all to look at the volume that came in on this 2-day price bar right here. This is the volume right there. A lot of volume came into the market on this very small spread. Would you agree? Are the market participants trying to move this market higher in Nvidia, or are they not? This is the current 2-day price bar, and you guys can see that we closed off of the highs. That means that sellers came into the market over the last 2 days. Look at the volume. So yes, from out the gate, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Nvidia drop. Wouldn't you be surprised? This is Nvidia right here on the weekly time frame, and I wanted to show you last week right here that the price bar is massively bullish, right? The market is still trying to see price run up in Nvidia, but it's going to be ragged. It's going to be rigid. Like, don't expect it just to explode higher in price, because on a couple of these price bars, we're noticing how the market is closing off of the highs. That's not a good thing. That tells us that there's still some sellers in the midst. Okay. This is Nvidia here on the 2 weeks. So I want to show you the 2 weeks chart, because again, the last 2 weeks, the last two weekly price bars, you guys can see that the market just ran up. So are we due for a move to the downside? Quite possibly. I want to show you all this though. Look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay. This could be the new area that the market buyers are coming in. Look at this, already on this current 2-weekly price bar, we saw buyers hold support at 180. If that continues, then I know that Nvidia is going to continue to move up. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a different time frame. This is Nvidia on the 3 weeks, and again, this is where I'm still bullish into the market in Nvidia right here. Look at that 3-weekly price bar. Over the last 3 weeks, market dipped just a little bit, but we saw price close at the high of the bar. We got support coming in at 180. So the next target price is going to be around $195 to $200. And then outside of there, 208. Yes. From a 3-weekly price bar. Look at this on the 5 weeks. Charts don't lie. Look at that. Last 5 weeks, the price in Nvidia dipped, went down, held support at 140, and closed high at 182. That's in the midst of what occurred the previous 5 weeks. Okay, look at the monthly chart. The chart is not lying to us. I would say that from a daily perspective, there's still some sellers mixed in. But here on the weekly, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks, monthly time frame, the market here in Nvidia is still pretty bullish. So outside of whatever happens in the economy, on the news, CNBC, whatever comes out, we already know that the people who are involved in Nvidia are expecting price to continue to run up. So let's go ahead and drop this price prediction on the chart. What do you all think? We're going to look for the price in Nvidia to go higher. Okay, now we already know that the market has confirmed 180 so far, but for me, I want to give us a little bit more cushion. Okay, we want the market at least to try to hold 170 for Nvidia. Okay, now let me take you back over to the 3-weekly chart, and let me give you my price targets from here. That first one is around 195. Okay, that's 6%. My second one is going to be around 200. That gives us 8.74%. My ultimate one, long-term monthly perspective, is around 208. Okay, so I'm looking for the market in Nvidia to run up towards. Okay, that's it. Now, I definitely would appreciate, as time goes on, that we see buyers hold 180, because it definitely would tell me that the price will eventually do that. If we break 180 to the downside, then it may take the market a while before we actually see the price continue to trend higher. Okay, so I'm looking forward to. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, give me your thoughts, your perception as to what you think the market in Nvidia is about to do, and we'll see which one is right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.